Granny Teresa has a typical Italian problem. Here it is again.
Mamma mia!
Like a coffee team is currently working towards a solution.
Preso is an open-source smart outlet able to monitor the power consumption of the devices connected to it, and at the same time able to control them.
Good, but Preso has not been designed just for this purpose. Thanks to its Wi-Fi functionalities, you can create a Preso network. And the various interacting Presos can create complex scenarios for the devices connected to them. All these functions can be set up for the Preso app or manually for the embedded display in every Preso. The open source firmware allows everyone who likes hacking to modify Preso. Sky is the limit! We already have the Preso prototype, but we need your help to put into production the Preso kit. What are you waiting for? Back our project. As you just seen, you can do everything with it. Yeah, almost anything.
Preso, just plug it in.